prices down below in the video description for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. This is our 2009 Dodge Journey. We're replacing the alternator. It's a 3.6. I'm gonna show you the easiest, quickest way to do it. Let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. And on ours, this person was in a fender bender, so we just reached right in there and disconnected the positive. Now we tried it this way too. You got your positive, disconnect that positive and that negative. And the way to test and make sure that it has actually been disconnected after you've done that is take your digital voltmeter, take your positive lead, put it on the power. So it's going to be this wire right here. You're going to put your positive lead right there and put your negative lead right over here. If you got battery voltage, you know it is not disconnected, but just do that to be sure that you've got it disconnected over here. Now, I'm going to go through the quick overview process because I haven't seen any videos on YouTube yet. So I just want to give you a quick idea. First, we're going to take the wheel off. Then we've got our belt tensioner is right here. It's a 3/8. I just use this special little belt tool right here, suck them up in there, lefty-loosey, and then pull the belt off. And then, I've already got it off, I'll show you with it on here in just a minute. But then, we're gonna disconnect this hose from right here. Not a whole lot of coolant comes out. And we're gonna push them up out of our way. And then, you're gonna have your main positive coming in here. It's a 13mm, take that off, and then you're gonna have your squeeze and pull plug right here, and all that stuff is sitting right here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end so you'll have a real good idea. But you have this little red thing, okay? So you can see it pops in and then pops out. You got to pop the red out and then squeeze and pull, and you'll pull your connector off. And then of course this guy's a 13. You have this cover on there, pop him off and out of the way, and then you'll have two bolts up top. It'll be sitting right up here. You can see there and there. That's where it connects. A better view right here, it'll be sitting like that, a 13. And then down below, you'll see right there we have another 13. So I know All Data was telling us we had to remove the AC compressor down there, but we did it without removing the AC compressor. So we just took this hose off and we gave birth to a 3-pound baby boy by pulling them right up through here. And I'll kind of show you that here in a second. So, one thing, this wire right here, it's like a harness. There's two spots where it's connected. You can see I pulled it up off of there. And then, down here, there's another one. I use my little tool. I use that guy right there to kind of pop this wire guy up and out of our way. And that's going to give us just enough clearance. We can kind of move this guy out of the way. And then we have a hole just the size of that alternator. So now I'm going to work on getting it down through there. Okay, so now I'm going back in with it. I did disconnect this little connector also, but this should give you an idea of what you want it to look like when you're going back in and coming out with it, this kind of position. And yeah, so take note of this. So when you first go to take the alternator off, this is what you're going to be looking at. You got your 13, and then let's see if I can get an angle on this thing. I don't know. I'm guessing you're looking at it right now. I can't see it, but it's oh, I can see it from right up here. Look at that. Bam, right there. So yeah, you got that 13 right there. So you take those off, and then there goes some stuff. Then you just deliver the baby right up through here. So, and also your little connectors. You got this guy right here, just snaps on. I can't do it one-handed, but, and then you can see our wire. I didn't even put that wire on, but you can see it's on. When I was slipping it up in there, it just kind of fits right there. You can see I'm playing with it now, but it just like almost fits in there. So put that back on, of course put your 13 back on, click that on, and then tighten your bolts on, put your belt back on, and that's it, guys. Not too bad of a project, so that's it. Thanks for watching.